Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the airship from Among Us. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start by drawing the front of the airship. On the left side here, draw a large C shape on an angle. Now from the top, continue the line down to the right on a diagonal. Now at the end, curve it up to the right like this. Next, draw a curved line down here. Then another curve in and straight down like this. Let's draw the turbines next. Come back over to the bottom left side and draw an oval shape here, but keep the bottom open. Then in the center of the gap, draw a curved line. Now on each side of the oval, draw lines down. Connect the bottom with a line across. Next, inside our oval shape, draw another oval. And then draw another smaller oval in the center. From the sides of this smaller oval, draw two lines down. Then close it off with a curved line across. Now draw lines coming out from the center like this. Next, on top of this turbine, draw a box shape. Now draw another diagonal line across here for the bottom of the ship. Now draw another turbine the exact same way but smaller. Now close off the bottom of the ship with a line across the bottom here. From the top left of this smaller turbine, draw two small diagonal lines out. Then draw a straight line down to connect them. Now a straight line across to the right. Now let's draw the front windows on the ship. From the front top of the ship, draw a short line down here. Now draw a curved line to connect it to the front of the ship. Leave a gap and then come down and draw another short line. Connect the top and the bottom to the front of the ship like this. Leave another gap and draw 2 more thinner shapes the same way below. Next, move over to the right and draw a small rectangle on an angle here. Now under it, draw 4 small circles. Now draw another slightly larger rectangle below it. Let's move over to the center now and draw another window. Draw a line across here, then down on both sides. From the bottom of both lines, draw lines across to the right. Then another set of lines down. And now close it off across. Now to the left of the smaller turbine, draw 2 more rectangular windows like this. Next, draw 5 small circles here across the top of the back. Under it, draw 7 more circles. Next, in the top right, draw a circle here. In the center, draw a smaller circle now. Next, draw lines coming out from the center like this. Lastly, let's draw the top hat crewmate logo. Start with the face shield by drawing a small oval here. Then draw a curved line up to the right and back down. Draw a short line under the face shield here on the left. Now connect the bottom with a line across. On the right side, draw a rectangle shape for the backpack. Now let's draw the hat. From the top left of the head, draw a curved line up across the top of the head and then connect it back down to the backpack. Now draw 2 curved lines up. And then connect it at the top. The last thing is the wording for the logo, but I'm gonna leave it out for now and then add it back in when I'm coloring. So that's it for this Among Us airship. Let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to keep updated on new videos. Thanks for watching.